Welcome back to Idolyn's channel right here. Watch it! Watch my video. Always watch it. Sticky, and dry it. Please draw it all over this. There. Okay, that was sticky, just to tell you too. I'm so sorry, guys. That was so sticky. I'm so sorry. This, and even a touch something else. I need to show you. Get over here. Oh, I know I'm gonna touch you like that. Oh, so we're gonna try. Why do I think I'm sticky? Why do I have to touch it? I don't know why I do that, but I have to touch it. I feel something else sick. Detangler. It's so sticky. So sticky. It's so sticky. It's so sticky. We are stepping out right here. We are stepping out. It smells so good. It smells so good. Okay, so we're gonna do something. Okay, just stay there. We're gonna put on a song I'm drawing right now. I'm gonna show you how to draw a cat. I'm just gonna show you. Like, watch. Imagine I draw the head, like my head. And it was right here. And there's gonna be a song. Ready? I'm gonna start with drawing a cat. Together. Grab your papers. I'll give you 1 second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Got your papers? Pause it if you need to. Okay, I'll give you a little pause. Whoop. Open it. Okay. Cat starts now. Here's the cat. I'm drawing it.
Stop playing with them, Ryan. Big God. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. Big God. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. Off the wake up, I'm feeling my best. I bend over, I do my little stretch. Ain't a jellyfish, but I'm the catch. Feel like that fish, so I'm pumping my chest. I blow bubbles so big like Mrs. Puff. I be locked in like, no, this isn't luck. Eating fancy like, no, this isn't chump. With my bestie like everything fun. Big God. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. Big God. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. Big things about to happen today. I woke up feeling.
Okay. For this one's nose, but it has a heart shape. So it's gonna look like this. So you zoom up. If you have a zoom. This is what it should look like. Oh, keep falling on me. Stop falling. Here, hold on to it. This is what this should look like. So you can do a heart. Okay? That's what it should look like. Okay, guys. One more example. Should look like. Looking up. Okay. Next stop is you're gonna see. It's gonna start.
Big God, pants okay. Big things about to happen today. I woke up feeling a brand new way. Facing the world in a brand new way. SpongeBob, big God, pants okay. Tight fit, square hips. Doing a dance in my big God pants. The baddest, the top of the list I am. And on my purse, they came fresh out of clam. Big God. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Off the wake up, I'm feeling my best. Big things about to happen today. I bend over, I do my little stretch. I woke up feeling a brand new way. Ain't a jellyfish, but I'm the catch. Facing the world in a brand new way. Feel like that fish, so I'm pumping my chest. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay.
Okay, everybody. Okay, everybody. So, we are not done it, but I'm gonna add a little tiny song. Don't mind me. It's just gonna be, you're gonna say, yeah. Okay, this is it.
One more time, stop trying to read my mind. I'm not her and she's not me, and you're not mine. So yeah, with me, baby, I'm D&D. Please don't bother me, baby, no baby. So it's time and this, so you gotta make me freeze. Reasons that you gotta.
This part is legs. Your legs. I'm not gonna show mine right now, but look, pretend this is my like whole entire leg. Look, whole leg. Oh, leg. Okay, let's finish it. This is the song, right? Or this is the. Okay, this is the. This is the cat. Okay, ears. This is ears, right? Ears. Ears. So when I like do this, you see the eyes? Like I did the eyes. That means I did that. I'm doing the eyes. So I do ear, and that means I'm doing that ears. Like blonde ears. Imagine this is it. Okay, we're gonna start it.
Walking, standing tall, but still fall for me. You come in with baggage,
Sometimes I might pause, but I might say stuff like right now. Fur, look at the fur. Okay, so after 3, 2, 1.
Asking me, still don't have it all, but give it all to me. Come and turn me on, but go all for me. So yeah, with me, baby, I'm D&D. Please don't bother me, baby, no baby. So it's time and this, so you gotta make me freeze. Reasons that you gotta.
Today we're not using colors. Today we're not using colors, okay?
Say let me information up.
Okay, so that's what I was gonna do. Just going to love this. Okay, so this is what it should look like after. Yeah, you got heart, whatever you like, you can color it in. That's what it should look like. I love you guys just so much. Hopefully you watch the same video. Like and subscribe. And in 3, 2, 1, like! Woo! Oh my god, a billion, million. Okay, hopefully I get 100 likes. Write me down a comment and then down below. I hope you have a great day. Remember my name. I can write it down right here. Just gonna find a page right here. Here, I'm gonna write it. I'll do it at the very, very bottom. Look, it's gonna be right. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I keep falling. Right there, down there. Look down there and I'll circle it. And right. My name, if you click on it and you're new, say it down. It's not really working, guys. Sorry. I'm gonna have to. I got a whole entire bag. Comment down color. I'm gonna say blue. I'm gonna use for my name. Just fix it all up. It has A, D, A, Y, and one more A, D, A, L, Y, and I'm circling it though. It's blue. It's blue, okay? It is blue. Here. My name is Adeline. Adeline. What's your name? Comment down. My sister's name is Paisley. New, right? New. Just give me a little boop, boop, bop, bop. Ooh. Bye. Welcome. Well, bye. I hope you see me tomorrow. Bye. New videos coming up probably. Bye.